Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2023 INFINITI QX50 LUXE, courtesy of INFINITI of Nashua in Nashua, New Hampshire. Now, brand new for 2023 is the pebble gray interior color, replacing wheat. A very, very risky move given the popularity of wheat. And here is pebble gray. I just reviewed a sport, but I knew we had a pebble gray in stock, so I wanted to put it on video and see what it was like to spend time with it, seeing how I was a big fan of wheat, and I think a lot of people were as well. So let's see what pebble gray is like to live with. Premium audio package, 12 speaker Bose, cargo pack, sticker price here of $48,690, graphite shadow over pebble gray. There's your Bose 14 speaker, 12 speaker audio. Memory seats. I don't know how that got so tangled, but there we go. Panoramic roof, backup camera, heated seats. Let's go for a drive. You can tell, pebble gray interior, it's not as light as wheat was. But I think they were trying to move away from that. Because let's be honest, it was like a white interior color. That's going to be tough to keep clean, and a lot of people were worried about staining. Judging on how our certified pre-owned wheat cars have looked when we get them in, it's not really a concern. They definitely are pretty stain resistant. But I will say this gives it a whole new look. It's not as bright as wheat, but it's not nearly as dark as graphite. Put it right in between the two. Two-liter turbo 4-cylinder variable compression, 268 horse, 280 pound-feet of torque. And once you're cruising on the highway, super comfortable car. Brake pedal feels actually really good. Let's go for a gap. That's how people merge. That's how people should merge. Well, slam on the brakes. So what are my thoughts on Pebble Gray replacing wheat? Like I said, there's going to be people upset. I already know there's going to be people looking for that light interior. Pebble Gray, I think, is a step in the right direction for Infiniti. We're trying to change things up. And I think if you look at demographic-wise, I think the younger audience is going to like this interior color more than the older audience. Look at the popularity of Nardo Gray and that gray, like Audi's Nardo Gray. Look how popular that color has become. That's very similar to this interior color. So while it might not be that light color contrast, it's definitely going to be a popular choice. I can already tell. How can I say that? Well, I ran it by a bunch of people. I showed them the interior combination, showed them the interior color, and I'm like, what do you think? 99% of people said, oh, I like that. There was a couple people that were like, no, that can't replace wheat. And I agree with them. It's not replacing wheat. It's changing Infiniti. It's Infiniti trying to take a step to a different demographic, a different audience. And I think they're onto something with this, especially with the QX50 Sport. That they're hitting a nail on the head with that thing. And with Pebble Gray, I think they're stepping in the right direction. They're putting the right foot forward. And I'm just curious to see what the take rate is on this and what opinions I hear after we show a Pebble Gray interior to a customer coming from a wheat car. I'm curious to see how that turns out. Because I think there'll be some backlash for some people, but I think the vast majority of people are going to understand and see this different color and really like it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I will see you all in the next one.